Welcome. My name is Cassie. I hope you're having a good day or had a good day wherever you may be in this world. Today I'm going to show you how to get this eye look right here. It is a one palette tutorial. I am using the Morphe So Fierce palette, I believe it is. Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. And I wanted to give you guys a Thanksgiving vibe makeup look. Thanksgiving vibe eyeshadow one palette tutorial, and this is what I came up with. Look at this, I would think right away like Thanksgiving fall vibes, especially with my lipstick. The lipstick that I'm wearing is a Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Dominatrix. His liquid lipsticks are out of this world. They're absolutely amazing. I hope that you guys enjoy, and I hope that you guys have a great Thanksgiving and that you enjoy your food and enjoy your time with family or friends, whoever you may be spending your Thanksgiving with, and just take some time to reflect on your life and what you should be thankful for. If you're going to comment anything down below, comment what you're thankful for this Thanksgiving. I know I am a day early, but tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so yeah. Anyways, please subscribe if you haven't already because it is free, and you should, because we all love free things, and it's not going to hit you to hit that I just need to go to bed. It's not going to hurt you to hit that subscribe button, and yeah, I upload twice a week, once on Wednesdays, today, and once on Sundays, which, by the way, I have a long-awaited one palette tutorial coming on Sunday, but it is, like, I'm not even going to say kinda. It's emotional. I get a little emotional in that video. But yeah, I hope that you guys stay tuned for this look, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. We'll be using these Zoeva brushes, and I will let you know which ones I'm using and also which shades I am using. And to start, I'm going to start with this soft definer, the 227V soft definer brush from Zoeva, and I'm going to dip into the shade Stamina. My eyes are already primed, and I'm going to focus this on my outer corner. That shade is actually pretty pigmented, it looks good. And I don't really want to put it pointy, I kind of just want to round it out. I'm going to be using the Morphe M518 brush, and I'm going to be dipping into the shade Ferocious, and I'm going to blend that Stamina shade from the corner, my outer corner to my inner corner. It's going to be my crease shade, it's going to be my transition shade. I'm going to use a shade that's a little bit more orange, so I'm going to use the shade Explode, but I'm going to tap it off a lot. I feel like Thanksgiving is like fall, oranges, browns, and then I'm going to go back into that shade Stamina with the same brush I used first, and I'm going to go over that brown again. It won't be the last time we go over that brown, and it definitely won't be the last time we blend. This is literally just going to be like a little quick makeup look. And I'm going to take this LA Pro concealer, and I'm going to cut out my crease. I'm going to cut the crease halfway. Not the full way. Every time I get this all over my lashes. Take the Morphe M124 brush, and I'm going to blend that out. And then I'm going to grab my finger, and I'm going to use the shade Frenzy. And I'm going to go ahead and pack that on to the concealer. And then I'm also going to use the shade Stun Wild, because there's not like a super bright shade in this palette. But like I said, I wanted it to be more gold, more orangey. Then I'm going to take that Morphe fluffy brush, and I'm going to blend that orangey shade. I'm going to take, I think, Explode, and I'm going to blend that orangey shade in more. And then I'm also going to take, shade Stamina, and I'm going to pack that on the outer corner again just to blend out that shimmer shade and the outer corner. And then I'm also going to be using this Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner. It's in the shade Distortion. If you had gold, that would look a lot better, but I don't have gold. There's gold in the palette, but I don't feel like getting all that technical today. And what I'm going to do is, from where I cut the crease, where the crease kind of separates, is I'm going to line with this. I feel like whenever people use this, it looks good, and then when I use it, it's like, looks like poo. because I have such hooded eyes that you can't even tell I have it on. I'm going to try this Stila one, the Smoky Storm, but I'm going to try it with this brush. If you have this palette, you can use that Make Believe shade in the palette, which is that middle gold one that's very sparkly, and just be very precise with the way that you put it on. I'm going to take this Morphe brush. I don't even know what it is, but it's a slanted brush. And I'm going to take the shade Major Hottie. And I'm going to use this underneath my lash line, like my lower lash line. But I'm going to make sure that it blends in with my shadow that's up here. The shade Disrupt. This is a Real Techniques base shadow brush, and I'm going to use a tiny bit of that shade Disrupt, and I'm going to blend out my lower lash line. And I'm going to take that flat brush again from the Zoeva brushes with the shade Stamina, and I'm going to deepen up that outer corner again. I think I might do a little bit darker. I'm going to use the shade Smolder, and I'm going to mix it with Stamina because they're a little bit different undertones, but I do want the outer corner to be darker. Okay, so this is the finished look. I believe the lashes that I have on are from KASS, and they're from the style Flirty. This one, I'm having such a hard time. I put them on very, very quickly because I'm literally going to bed. It is 10:50 p.m. and I have to be up early tomorrow to do my makeup all over again. That I'm wearing is a Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Dominatrix, which is like a brownie, and I really liked the way that this one was looking because it is perfect for that fall Thanksgiving vibe, and I wanted a little bit more orangey in my eyeshadow because Thanksgiving is like the fall leaves and all of that, and I quickly put on my lashes so if they're falling off, do not mind. And this eye kind of messed up because I have hooded eyes. It's really hard for me to do this, and it like spread the glitter everywhere. But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this extremely quick tutorial. I just wanted to show you that you can get ready really quickly, but you can throw something together in a matter of time and look presentable for Thanksgiving, and without them knowing that you spent like 15 minutes on your eyeshadow. I don't know how long it took me. It was really quickly, but I hope that you guys enjoyed. I hope that you guys all have a wonderful Thanksgiving with your family, with your friends, whoever you may be with. Eats all of the food that they can and just appreciates how much they have, even if it is a little bit. Just having a roof over your head, you are wealthier than a lot of people in the world. And that's unfortunate. Like, everybody should have a roof over their head. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed. I hope that you have a happy, healthy, delicious, and thankful Thanksgiving. If you have to work like me, maybe you'll wear this look. If you're going to a house, auntie's house, grandma's house, mom's house, dad's house, whoever's house, and you wear this look, that's cool too. Anyways, I will see you in my next video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one.
Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting, you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and not excited. Flew the quick 17, no bodies. You be staying low, but you know what the fight is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey.